Ngiyacela, please don't watch this video. Lula, please, Lula. Ezinye izinto you were never meant to know. Sanibonani. Ngizwe kuthiwa that no, Lula, please, Lula. Asiqale. Once upon a time, a long time ago, ngama 1730, 1780, there was a ship, and igama lale ship was Izong. You see, the ship was responsible for transporting abantu from West Africa to Jamaica, and from Jamaica to England. Understand ukuthi le ship was responsible for transferring izigqila abantu abamnyama. Understand-ke mntomnyama ukuthi the ship and its cargo, aka abantu abamnyama, was insured with Gilbert and Company, which is a London insurance syndicate, franchise yayinkulu, which was insuring ships that were responsible for ukuthatha abantu abamnyama e-Africa ibayise e-Jamaica, iphinde basuse e-Jamaica ibayise e-UK. Yes, understand ukuthi the captain of Izong was Captain Luke Collingwood. He was a former ship sergeant owaphromotwa, kodwa he had no experience as ukapteni. Now, iship yethu yasuka eLondon yaya eJamaica, yasuka eJamaica yalinka straight yaya eAfrica, eWest Africa, iyolanda abantu izigqila, abantu abamnyama. Immediately after the ship arrived, understand ukuthi they went to take approximately 442 yabantu abamnyama to go work for them, free labor. Understand ukuthi the legal capacity for their ship was 240. That means babe overcrowded by abantu abawu 200 bonke ababe extra kuleya ship. Understand ukuthi babezosuka eGhana naseNigeria mase beshona eJamaica. The ship itself was filled over capacity with abantu abamnyama. Understand ukuthi they had 200 extra yabantu abamnyama that were meant to go work as a free labor le England. Understand that the situation yokuthi umuntu omnyama wayefakwe inecklace emqalweni, efakwe inecklace ezandleni, futhi wakahlale phansi and be obedient. Ngo-August 1781, iship yasuka from West Africa. We don't know whether it was Ghana noma Nigeria, but yasuka from West Africa iye eJamaica. It should have taken them 6 to 8 weeks ukuthi bafike eJamaica, but instead they got lost at sea. Yes, and then it took them more than 3 months ukuthi bathole i-direction ephinda eJamaica. Whilst they were at sea, sailing, trying to figure out a way yokuphinda eJamaica, ukapteni, the captain, had an idea. You see, i-captain yayithanda imali, and he wanted a way yokuthi kuphela le trip iphele ngaye ese-rich. And so he decided ukuthi uzotshena abantu abamnyama on the ship ukuthi abanawo amanzi, we are running out of water, which was a lie. Understand ukuthi there was enough rainwater kuloyo mkhumbi. Understand ukuthi there was still futhi amanzi on board kuloyo mkhumbi. So the captain wathatha isinqumo sokuthi in order to save water and in order to save food, ama-resources, wakhetha abantu abamnyama, wabathatha wabafaka ama-necklace amahle emqaleni, ama-necklace amahle ezandleni, wabaxhuma one by one. Umuntu omnyama was connected to omunye umuntu omnyama, nomunye connected to omunye, ama-necklace nje exhumene. And then decide ukuthi uzobalandelisa kulayini bonke one by one, and then abafake emanzini at sea ukuthi babhukude. I don't know what to say. Ukuthi babhukude one by one. Ngomhla ka-29 November 1781, the first round of abantu abamnyama that were chosen to go swimming yaqala. They picked 54 people, yes, and then babathatha and they threw them alive into the sea to go swimming. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi just a few hours later the second round began whereby 42 people yabantu abamnyama were chosen ukuthi they would go into the sea to go swimming. And then the third round began whereby they again had to pick 26 people yabantu abamnyama to go swimming at the sea. Understand ukuthi after all of that were done, 10 people volunteered ukuthi bona they rather go swimming at the sea instead of ukuthi bahlale on the ship and go with isitha beyophila impilo of free labor e-UK. 10 people chose for themselves ukuthi no, sicela ukuya lapha. And then understand ukuthi 132 people, Africans, were unalived ngalelo suku. Abantu abamnyama bafakwa emanzini to go swimming. Befakwe ama-necklace emqaleni nasezandleni. They had to go swim. More than 132 yabantu abamnyama on that day were unalived. 10 yalabo bantu labo chose for themselves ukuthi bakhetha lempilo le instead of ukuhamba nesitha. They don't teach you this at school. Mina nawe, let's follow the money because imali ayiwaqamba amanga. Understand ukuthi they insured the ship, yes, and its cargo. Understand ukuthi umuntu omnyama at that time was worth 30 pounds. Yes. That means ukuthi bona, if umuntu omnyama kwenzeke gula, they would not get ngisho isenti. I already did the calculations in the lento because you have to consider inflation from 1781 until now. Mele phinde futhi uphinde we-exchange into rands, but I want you to understand ukuthi bathola imali engango 653,000 Great British Pound. Leyo mali masiyishintsha iba amarandi, it amounts to 15.7 million. So the story doesn't really have a happy ending. There was no justice, no accountability. 132 yabantu abamnyama unalived for imali. Kwaphela kanjalo. Like sekuphelile. Akukho